What if I told you get over 1,000 channels, all your sports, every movie, every cartoon, everything you can imagine for no monthly fees? None. Zero. You just buy this box for one price of $300, give or take, depending on where you buy it. So this is all that it is. This is the super box right here. That's it. That is it. Pretty cool. Small. It uses Wi-Fi for the signal. That's how it does all of it. And from here, you have to have a port, an HDMI port goes from here to here. We canceled all of our subscriptions. We used to pay over $200, $250 a month just for subscriptions to all these apps and Netflix and Amazon this and Prime that and everything. All gone. Disney, gone. We get it all for free through this box one time. One time cost of $300. It's amazing. So worth it. Over 1,000 channels. Everything for your children, your kids, your Nickelodeons, your Disney, all your sports, basketball, football, college, pro, hockey, soccer, anything and everything. It's all there for free. You want to see next year's Super Bowl? There it is. Well, actually, I don't think you can do that. That's about all that it doesn't do. A friend of mine told me about it, and I was super skeptical. This sounds too good to be true. And it still does, but apparently it is true and it's very cool. I'm excited about it. I'm making this video mainly for my family and friends to see. It's the best thing going. You're not going to go wrong with this thing. You can buy it at Walmart, Amazon, anywhere, Target. $300 roughly. The price is a little bit different. You can see anything. Make Christmas merry again. It comes with 2 different remote controls. You got this one, it helps you set it up. And you got this one once it's set up. It's a keyboard, has a little mouse pad on it. It's super easy, super cool, super awesome. A little bit of a learning curve to navigate all the channels. Like you don't get the Sunday ticket from DirecTV. What you get is all the CBS channels. CBS in Pittsburgh is playing the Pittsburgh game. If you're a Dolphin fan, CBS in Miami is playing the Miami game. And we get all those channels. So I just go to the menu and I go to NFL, and there's all the NFL games that are playing right now. We get all those. It's called Game Pass. That's for this. But I think I got like 18 ESPNs. So you can get all the NBC West, East, West. This is in alphabetical order. So here's CBS East, CBS West, Cartoon Network, Cinemax. Again, it's in alphabetical order. You have to go forever. It's thousands of channels. Look at that. Thousands of channels. It goes forever. I get tired of holding the button.
Oh, keep going.
Keep going?
Yes.
Keep going. Here we go. Every one of those channels. Look at that. It's crazy.
There's the local ABCs, CBSs.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Good catch. This is all the CBS channels. Look at those. You get every CBS channel. So if they're not playing, or ABC or Fox, we get all of them. So if we ain't got a game in our area, we find a game where it's playing. You just go to one of the CBS's in wherever. And it's not just limited to our country, the United States. It's the world. It's where all these channels come from, all over the world. It's exciting. It's awesome. I just want to share it. I'm tired of holding the button. Too many channels. Well, we want to go back up to the top. We're going to the NFL because that's where I want to go back to my game. There's all the games. Going down. Boom. There are games on commercial. Let's hop over and see what the Dolphins do against the Bills. Great.
Usually you have to give it a second.
Oh, there you go. You have to give it a second. Titans and Colts. Great game. Let's see what they're doing. Takes a second. It's streaming. There it is.
Referee today is Carl Jeffers.
14-0. Wow. So if you got a commercial going on,
We talked about the defensive tackles.
we'll go back to your game.
About the Jets' defensive tackles, and that's who got to.
You just pop back to your game. You get everything on here. You get YouTube, you get Netflix, you get movies. That's why it can be heard. You got YouTube, Netflix, movie channels. You get almost everything. They say you get pay-per-views free. We're still learning. You got a lot more to learn. It's endless. Basically, you got a computer. This is like a monitor of a computer. You can go to YouTube or Google. You can go on Facebook, and this is just your TV becomes your monitor, and you're streaming everything. It's so easy to navigate with these remote controls they give you.